students who use ChatGPT too much are at a disadvantage in developing critical thinking skills. I believe that it is true because over-dependence on AI weakens intellectual growth. Students lose their ability to think independently.
I believe that the sentence is not true because ChatGPT doesn't just give answers, but it helps as a guide and it helps in clarifying concepts and it gives deeper information and multiple perspectives on the topic.
Firstly, guidance is good, but when it replaces the process of exploration and effort, it becomes a shortcut. And then if it is a tool, firstly, in schools also we are taught maths before we use calculators. So according to me, it's not the thing which is helping students. Others. Why is everybody else absolutely silent?
See, what difference did it make that there are 5 people on that
मैं
side?
सोच ही रहा हूँ कि क्या
6
reply
and 5.
Am I going
You don't have to ask.
AI provides us with the quick answers which stop students from thinking deeper.
So you are speaking. But then, ma'am,
End up by asking when they get the first answer of the question they have asked and they do not get deeper into the content, that is very essential for critical thinking skills.
Students can explore topics on their own rather than just relying on boring and old textbooks or teachers.
old textbooks and teachers is a lot better than just opening your phone and choosing it. ये क्या आंसर
why?
कभी का आंसर किसी के पास सपोर्ट करने का
Manch, Anshu, Mayank, speak something.
ChatGPT gives ready-made answers, not step-by-step learning.
So how is that a disadvantage in developing critical thinking skills?
Because it is giving ready-made answers. It's not explaining us like in detail. In textbooks, first we are getting the chapters so that we can get knowledge on a specific topic. But on ChatGPT, it's just normally getting the answers.
No, but if we want, we can ask ChatGPT for explanation also. Like in fact, even the most basic of concepts that probably you won't find in your class 8th book because you've already crossed class 2, 3, 4. And if you have a basic doubt, in order to clarify that doubt, you can give ChatGPT the prompt to clarify that basicality of your concept, and it will clear even that, and that would further enhance your critical thinking skill because then your basics will be clearer. So if in case you do not have access to your textbook, or it will obviously save time.
And ChatGPT also has a lack of human emotions and empathy.
So that would mean because ChatGPT does not have human emotions, so it would not even get irritated in answering your basic questions, which probably a human might at some point asking the same question again and again and again and again. A human might get irritated, but chatbot would not get irritated. It does not have emotions.
Yeah, but most students use it to save time, not to think more. In order to just finish the task, whatever they have, what they are having, they just want to complete it how early that.
That's not ChatGPT's problem. That is a student's problem.
ChatGPT reduces brain
it's
effort.
actually a time you get the हाँ बोलिए
It reduces brain effort and problem solving skills. It can limit real life thinking and decision making.
How?
Anshu, Mayank, Adit, Vansh.
Those students who are using ChatGPT can hide students' ability to understand information thoroughly and formulate well-reasoned arguments.
How? Why?
Sometimes it also happens like ChatGPT gives answers in a confident tone, even they are wrong. Students may trust their responses blindly.
So how does it put them at a disadvantage in developing their critical thinking skills? The topic that we are talking about is critical thinking skills.
So sometimes if they're asking to ChatGPT, if they're using ChatGPT, it's answering just this much confidently that the student believes that the answer is right, but it's not.
So how does it hamper their critical thinking skills? It will obviously
Because
result in them
students-
getting the wrong. Yes.
because students do not get the chance to solve the questions of their own. If they simply use ChatGPT and find down the answers, it will obviously reduce their thinking skills.
But then it's not that ChatGPT will just give you the answer. It is going to provide you with the solution. And so then you can further, in case if it is a complex problem that you're not able to break down on your own, it is going to provide you a step-by-step solution. And so you can analyze those steps, and in fact, if you are not even able to analyze a particular step, you can ask ChatGPT to further break that step down. And it will break it down further for you. And then you may understand it.
Students rarely go to that deep. Most just use it for rapid answers, not thoughtful exploration.
But that is the student's problem, not ChatGPT's problem.
So you say, but sir, over here we are talking about students. We are talking about students who use ChatGPT too much. We are not talking about whether or not it is ChatGPT's problem. We are talking about students. That yes, the students who use ChatGPT too much are at a disadvantage in developing critical thinking skills.
But ChatGPT don't usually give the answer. It also summarize the topic and give a step-by-step explanation of the topic.
Critical thinking comes from struggling and reflecting. ChatGPT skips that.
You were saying something, sir?
Yeah.
But ChatGPT might not lend themselves well to classroom discussions that foster critical thinking.
You need to explain what you are saying, not just give us the.
Critical thinking is not just about asking questions, but analyzing the information given by ChatGPT.
So critical thinking comes from struggling, and if ChatGPT is removing it, so what is the use of using? Like it's giving it's on disadvantage.
It is a struggle in itself to come up with the right question to ask, to understand what you do not understand, and then accept that particular not understanding, and then ask that as a question. That's a part of the thinking process, and it is required in order to ask a question. Anshu, you have to say something.
ChatGPT lack expressions of humans. Why?
That is a good thing.
Yeah, that's something that we already said that yes, because it does not have emotions, so it will not get irritated. And so you keep on asking it questions 100 times, 1,000 times, it will not get irritated. So it's a good thing that it does not have emotions.
AI can only stimulate, not truly understand. Critically thinking includes empathy, ethics, and values. These can't be fulfilled by ChatGPT.
Vansh? I think we'll move on to the debate because
The values of ChatGPT depends on how the students use it.
But mostly the students misuse it.
And also the students who are using ChatGPT skip the process of research, analysis, critical evaluation, which are crucial for critical thinking.
But they are analyzing, that's why they are asking questions.
Curiosity grows from confusion and reflection, not from being handed answers.
But they are asking questions because they are confused.
because they are curious, because she said curiosity.
ChatGPT can be misused for generating fake news.
That's completely out of the topic.
Fake news
It's out of the topic. Students who use ChatGPT too much are at a disadvantage in developing critical thinking skills. We are not talking about the advantage and disadvantage of ChatGPT in general. We are talking about students and they are being at a disadvantage in developing critical thinking skills.
Surface level learning leads to shallow thinking also. Like students who use ChatGPT stop at the first answer. They don't get deeper into the topic, which is essential for strong thinking skills. In addition to it, it also removes the struggle, and true learning comes from trying, failing, and figuring out things on our own. But AI removes the struggle and harms students' learning.
But then, if AI removes the struggle, it saves time, and that saved time can in turn be used for, developing critical thinking skills further in other ways. Have you come for the 5:30 class or for the 6:30 class?
It was my economics class.
So cannot replace the student thinking and judgment
That's a topic for later.
that comes from human experience and critical thinking.
Could you please repeat?
ChatGPT by helpful cannot replace the student thinking.
Cannot replace.
The student thinking and judgment.
So nobody is asking ChatGPT to replace students' thinking and judgment in the topic. It's simply asking if ChatGPT, if using it too much, makes students at a disadvantage in developing critical thinking skills. It's not talking about replacing their thinking.
But students might not be actively involved in understanding, analyzing, which is vital for building critical thinking skills.
But students don't have any teacher to their side all the time, so they can just ask ChatGPT, which will save their time.
They can also use books also. Books, calculators, a lot of tools are there which is better than ChatGPT.
But
How are
takes
they
more
better?
time. They take more time. You go through a textbook in order to find the answer. It is going to take 10x more time.
But you don't need any type of other resource while having books. If internet is not provided or there is some network issues, how can you use the ChatGPT? Like if your tuition or school is in 1 hour and you need to complete a network is not there, something is better than nothing.
So I guess it probably may be better in order to try and get network to get, because you'll get the answer and you'll get the solution in
Yeah.
lesser time.
the amount of time you would be required to go through the net to your company network company, or
I'll go to my neighbors or to an internet cafe.
if there is and if there is a light out,
Huh?
like
Light out.
sorry, like it's I'm not able to find the appropriate word.
If there is no electricity.
Yeah, if there is
We
no
got
electricity.
Generators. They provide
Generators.
So Wi-Fi would be your priority. Either if whole house is there and instead of light, fan, your priority would be that Wi-Fi should be there. Even if everyone is doing stuffs, important stuff, I don't care. The Wi-Fi should be there.
If it's my exam and I have a doubt, then yes, ma'am, I want Wi-Fi.
The generator is also not working in case the light is out for hours. Generator can work more than 3 to 4 hours or 2 hours even. And it's more expensive. You need to buy a mobile or laptop and a Wi-Fi connection to use just ChatGPT. You can buy a book at cheaper prices.
time. It saves time.
Spending more time on books
Who said
is a
exam
lot
online
better
only?
than getting the answer in a few seconds, because if you search the book, you will find out more interesting things alongside the answer that you want.
And deeper about the question which is asked.
Alongside the question.
Every
that
time
you
the
want.
keywords are not exact in ChatGPT. And
So that's for you to think. That's for you to come up with the right questions, and
that's
of
what
course
stops critical thinking.
develops thinking skills, asking the right questions.
And then sometimes answer is also not.
But there are in literature, if there are very particular words from your textbook and ChatGPT, many times doesn't respond exactly. Even if you ask this
We are talking about whether or not students are at a disadvantage in developing critical thinking skills, not about keywords of literature. We are talking about critical thinking skills over here in
because
the
of
topic.
ChatGPT, they don't try to search answers from their textbook.
But it saves time to use ChatGPT.
But you won't easily be able to remember those things. You would just copy them down.
Learning
You are
from a
not,
book
you
is
are
a
not
lot
putting
easier
any
than learning
efforts.
from a mobile phone. So books are a lot better.
In order, in addition, memory and retention becomes weaker. AI answers don't build long-term understanding.
And because of ChatGPT, only students skip their reading time or class discussions. Because of that, only they need ChatGPT. If you put your full focus and if there is no ChatGPT, of course you're going to get answers in class only. The doubts are made when you don't pay attention.
It alleviates in class discussions and original opinions. Students use AI-generated answers. They bring less of their own thoughts to the classroom.
Which is
And-
their deep thinking.
And books also provide the correct answer, but ChatGPT does not provide correct answer if we are typing the correct question only.
If we are not typing the correct questions.
No, I am saying that if we are typing the correct question, but sometimes ChatGPT have some errors, so it would not provide the correct answer that we need.
We can find that exact correct answer from books.
But then, in order to find whether or not the ChatGPT answer is correct or the book answer is correct or not, it is your own thinking skill that needs to be developed.
How it will develop if there would be every time ChatGPT with us to use.
So, if ChatGPT is giving me a wrong answer, then I need to be able to identify that, and for that I need my own brain. So sometimes getting the wrong answer can further enhance my critical thinking skills, because then I understand it better that why this particular thing is wrong and why I need to engage in it more in order to come to the correct solution.
No, but mostly students believe in ChatGPT and directly copy the answer which is provided by ChatGPT.
But if they if there is no ChatGPT to correct their answer, they would pay much more attention in classroom and they won't miss the opportunity to ask question and connect ideas.
But we can also ask questions to ChatGPT.
that would encourage your, like, you won't connect to your teacher and classmates. Like if you're having a doubt in middle of your class and you just don't ask it just because you're having ChatGPT at home, that will make you a part of everyone and you won't be able to connect to others or the teacher.
Why should we connect to the teacher?
Yes, it is.
Social thing that
So you are
Much
saying
better
that
than
we don't need,
ChatGPT.
like, you can only ask doubt to ChatGPT. ChatGPT can't teach you everything. If you don't connect to teacher, imagine teacher is telling something important for the examination. ChatGPT didn't make your question paper, teacher did.
And then teacher knows the topic much better than ChatGPT.
ChatGPT may give you more information. Like if you want to search something, it sometimes in maths equation, it give furthermore. Like in class, when you will come to 9th or 10th, there are equations which can be solved much easier through some senior methods. But the point is, those are for senior classes, so you won't even understand the answer. With the solution, you won't understand.
In addition to it, ChatGPT also has limitations. Like we can't ask questions more than 15, like something.
2.
That
You
we
can't
have-
send more
that we
pictures
have
than
to
2.
pay
We
money.
discuss something 2 times with ChatGPT, the chat is over. You need to pay. So you are paying in school, you are paying to ChatGPT.
But the topic is not about paying. It is about critical thinking.
हाँ यार, critical thinking से यार pain है आपने
Okay.
How do you know that your teacher is making your question paper and not ChatGPT?
Teacher can say ChatGPT to make question paper for
You
them.
don't know exact, bro. That word every time ChatGPT. ChatGPT won't give you the exact same question paper. It gives different output to everyone.
So we are not talking about the question paper. We are talking about critical thinking.
Anyways, you are not paying attention just because you are having ChatGPT. You would know what's coming in your exam and how you need to prepare for that.
No, but
The ChatGPT does not know how your paper pattern will come.
no, but teacher not always take questions from
ChatGPT can be told that the pattern of the paper can be given as a prompt and then it will prepare the question
no, but,
paper.
the
Doesn't
teacher,
know about the.
For that
questions,
also you
the
need
type
to
of
focus in your
questions
class now to know when the exam is.
No, but ChatGPT does not always. No, but teacher does not always use ChatGPT to make question paper. It she or he also make questions from.
And you know why they don't use ChatGPT to make question paper? Because they didn't have ChatGPT during their time. They studied from the book. That's why they know how to make the question paper. That's what their thinking take part. If they would be also having, if you study everything from ChatGPT, you won't know where the book is. And if you are the teacher, you won't be able to make a question paper by yourself. You are dependent on ChatGPT, and it is more helpful from Chat.
Yes, which side are you on?
Whatever you want, you can say. That was a 2-minute break. Shut
ये
up.
हमारे
That doesn't include the
ये
topic.
हमारे स्टेट
What is this? You can't hear our talk.
All right,
That doesn't include the topic.
all right. Let's
But
not
paying
get out
attention is
personal grudges over here.
But paying attention in class is also not in the topic.
It is about critical thinking skills, so it is same
It's
that
not
if you
that-
pay attention, your critical thinking skills will increase too.
No.
नहीं एक मिनट.
If you pay attention, your critical thinking skills will develop. Who said that?
You will
You
learn
don't pay
more
attention
and-
in class. You think more about. You engage with the topic at home. It's fine. It's not about paying attention. No. A lot of things said over here were out of topic. It's not about paying attention. Critical thinking has got nothing to do with paying attention in class. Yes, of course, it will be better, but it is not the only thing. You pay attention in class, but you do not struggle or engage with the topics taught at home. No critical thinking.
But they use AI as a shortcut.
Shortcut for.
How is that relevant to what I just said?
I need to explain this point for them.
Yes, Satvik and Yeshu, the new entries to the room. Please
कोई
give us your
स्टेटमेंट स्टार्ट
inputs.
करो उससे जोर जोर के बोलेंगे ऐसे तो पेन
I
कटर
just say one thing that the people who are against
Louder, please.
the people who are against ChatGPT एक दिन पहले मैथ्स के पेपर में वो भी ChatGPT पे ही जाते हैं.
Let's
This is
not
not the
use
language.
This is not.
Let's
Sorry.
not use Hindi over
They
here.
also use ChatGPT for suggestions.
No, but that's not the topic. The topic is students who use ChatGPT too much are at a disadvantage in developing critical thinking. We are not
There are so
debating
many
in
questions.
general.
How many questions they will see in ChatGPT?
Which they have doubt.
Which they have doubt. They have
The
doubt in
ChatGPT
all
always
questions.
doesn't give the
They have doubt
exact
in all
solution.
questions. They have doubt. in
And the
all
solution pattern is also many times different from your books.
So that's not a problem. The question pattern or the solution pattern is different. You engage with that solution and you think to
It's
understand.
from your
Yes,
senior
yes,
classes.
yes.
You need to understand many other concepts to get.
So
to
you
the
ask
point.
ChatGPT to explain even the basic concepts that was taught in class 6. It will do. It
But
will
that would take
explain it
more
to you.
time. The ChatGPT was made to save our time, but if you are using it,
But
for
if you
the
go to understand the class 6 concept through a teacher or through a book, relatively ChatGPT will take.
But
its
if you
time.
would have, if you won't be dependent to the ChatGPT and go to your book solution, it would be from your class, and you don't even need to go to the 6. Like it's for the.
It's not about being from a particular class. If you have a doubt in the basics, you need to go to the basics. Your book may not address those basics, even if it's your class book.
But
May not address the
ChatGPT has
basics.
the limitations and we can't ask the questions more than 10 or 15.
Who said that?
No.
It's-
You can
Yes,
try.
that we have
It's
to
having
Try on
we have to
ChatGPT.
we have to buy a subscription for unlimited
ChatGPT 4 plus you have to
Three
buy
questions we can ask if we do not have
In
subscription.
a continuous
We can ask
conversation,
Yeah,
we have
Which
to-
ChatGPT are you people using? I
No,
don't know.
in
that.
ChatGPT they
Yes,
they
ma'am.
have
Yes,
subscription.
If this only I needed to ask 4 times.
I show you my phone. I ask so many questions. It's not like that.
But if you put the picture part, it would stop after 3.
Yeah.
3 questions. Like you can't continue the discussion. Like if you
That
ask one
we-
question and then another, it would answer, but it won't continue. Like if you ask like explanation to a poem,
Make a new account.
that will make take it. That's going to occupy time. Make how
2
how
minutes.
many
2 minutes.
1 minute?
2 minutes.
How many accounts are
अरे
you
कट
going to make?
करके वापस से ChatGPT खोलो चल जाता है.
Continue ना. अरे कंटिन्यू कहाँ होता है? फिर से तुम्हारा डालोगी.
अरे आवाज आता है.
I think it is probably simpler to use books.
How is it simpler to use books?
First open the book, then find the chapter.
Where? How do you know where to find the answer from?
If you have read
No,
the
you
chapter,
have to
you
read
know
the-
where
you have to read
where-
the whole
All
chapter again to
questions,
find the answer.
all questions are not direct questions that you just simply find the answer.
That's where critical
Chat-
thinking
but
comes.
you
If you
can-
go to ChatGPT every time and find the answer to those question, and exam may different question come, and then you're not having the ChatGPT. to
But
search
if
that
you want to
question.
ask
Then
any
you
question
have
that is
books
not in
also.
the textbook, you can ask that question to ChatGPT.
That's what I'm saying. If you go to ChatGPT every time to find the answers, what you will do there in the exams? If there are 2 critical thinking questions in your book and in exam there is some 4th or not the same one, what are you going to do? You're not having ChatGPT.
But then at the time of my preparation, I read enough on ChatGPT to be able to come up with the answer to that 4th or 5th question, which in my book I did not find. No,
In
see, I'm just trying to
ChatGPT,
tell you people.
Ma'am, in
can read
ChatGPT,
it.
the questions which we'll ask, it will answer only that, but in books, all are written.
But by
No,
books
No.
we can मतलब ज़्यादा अच्छे से explain कर सकते हैं.
And in ChatGPT, exact keywords are not there, and even sometimes the grammar or the words are very
How is
difficult.
critical thinking related to grammar?
Yes, it is.
But if you will ask the questions, though, it will relate. It will be related, yeah.
You can't just say that ChatGPT gives the exact answer according to your thinking.
No, no, no.
It
No,
can't
no,
relate.
no,
to
no,
it.
no, no. Sometimes it also
And
gives
but ChatGPT
correct
does not provide the answer which is of your grade, so that teacher can.
So we can ask ChatGPT to simplify it.
Yes.
You can't ask that for the 3rd time. After 3rd time, again you need to research. You need to just open the ChatGPT again.
You can
Yeah.
ask 15 to 20 questions.
Try.
But not more
Try.
than that.
Try, I'm giving you live example. Try for one question more than
Just
3
buy
times, it will
subscription.
ask.
That's a
Nice example. You didn't update your phone and you would say, see my chat GPT doesn't, that doesn't count.
And we can use older version of ChatGPT if we can't use the newer version.
We update the phone altogether. We are not here to update every single app. You are away from the topic between.
मैम वो क्वेश्चन का तो पहला नहीं मैं हूँ अभी.
Your mistake, your choice. Go for ChatGPT then. Again, because of critical thinking, we can answer and having some amount of stuff which you can
But
repeat
sometimes
again and
ChatGPT
again.
also not give correct answers.
Alright. Who want to debate now? इसमें तो बहुत लोग बहुत शांत थे, but debate में तो everybody has to speak. So let's see. And you people digress.